Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to turn on your LinkedIn active status for all members, so you can stay more visible and connected with your professional network. If you've ever wondered how to let everyone know when you're available online, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Once the app is open, look at the very top left corner and tap on your profile picture. This will open up a menu where you can dive into the settings and start making changes to your account preferences. Next, from that menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where LinkedIn keeps all the tools you need to customize your experience. Inside the settings, find and select Visibility. This section controls how much of your activity and presence other people on LinkedIn can see. Now, once you're inside the visibility settings, look for the option that says Manage Active Status. Tap on that and you'll see a few different choices for how your status is shared. By default, LinkedIn might limit who sees your activity, but this is where you can open things up. To make yourself more visible across the platform, you'll want to select the option for all LinkedIn members. This means anyone using LinkedIn, not just your direct connections, will be able to see when you're active and available. It's a great way to increase opportunities for real-time engagement, whether it's recruiters, colleagues, or potential partners. Once you've chosen all LinkedIn members, your preference is automatically saved. From this point on, others across LinkedIn will see your green dot whenever you're online, signaling that you're ready to connect right away. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've made yourself more accessible to the entire LinkedIn community. This small change can encourage faster responses, more networking opportunities, and stronger visibility on the platform. So, the next time you want to make the most out of your LinkedIn presence, remember that simply turning on your active status for everyone can have a big impact. Give it a try and start making those meaningful professional connections today.